What up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. Thank you for checking in on your boy. Today, our review is on the Jordan 4 Fiba or Jordan 4 USA. And I'm not gonna lie, this sneaker crept up on me, man. I didn't think it was gonna be this good. You already know what it is, Sneaker Notes. Let's get into it. Sneaker Notes, if we talking about kicks. Yes, sir. So, welcome to Sneaker Notes if this is your first time. And if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button down there, look like a Supreme box logo. Hit that notification bell so you know whenever I upload, you'll be the first to check it out. If you're a loyal subscriber and you've been here, I thank you for keep coming back, man. I appreciate it. Real talk. Today we're going to talk about the Jordan 4 Fibas. And me just being honest, whenever I see an all-red Jordan, whether it's a 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 7, I always fall back because the all-red sneakers are not really that popular. My favorite all-red Jordan will have to be the Jordan 18 Toros. In that comment section below, let me know what's your favorite all-red Jordan. For me, it's the Jordan 18 Toros. But back to these. Yeah, so these are the Jordan 4 USA Fibas. These dropped last Saturday. You still probably can get a pair. So I want to go into an in-depth review on the highs, the lows, why most people like this sneaker, why some stayed away from the sneaker. But before we get into that, you already know we do here at Sneaker Notes. I want to see what's on foot. This is part of the segment where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let me know what you rocking on foot today or whenever you catch this video. Soon as I finish uploading this video, I'm going jogging, so I decided to throw on my Tinker Kobe's, one of the lightest sneakers made possible. This sneaker wasn't really that popular, even though it's sold out and you can't catch it on a rack or on a shelf right now. But this sneaker wasn't as popular as I thought it was when it first dropped. Tinker is the guy who makes the Jordans. He teamed up with Kobe and he gave us a red, black, and gray Kobe. I thought it was going to be bigger than it is, but forget how big it is. The comfortableness of this sneaker is out of control. So again, on foot today, I got on the Tinker Kobe's. In the comment section below, let me know what you got on foot. And without further ado, let's get into the review of the Jordan 4 USA. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Then, here's your box. And as you can see, it's not a regular box. Jordan actually gave us something new here, man. Black box, got a whole bunch of symbols on it. Nice high gloss. Gold Jumpman. Super dope box. Flip open the lid. And shouts out to Sneakers and Stuff. This is where I cop these from. Sneakers and Stuff. Good overseas connect, man. Sneakers and Stuff. You got your regular white tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe, because that's the shoe that has the shoestrings attached. So let me get close. Get out this 360 view before we even talk about anything. 360 view. Now up the top, if you look at your tongue, you look at your side panels, that's the same symbols we see inside, on top of the Jordan box that it comes in. So I'm guessing this has to do something with FIBA or the World, the World Cup, something of that nature. In that comment section below, if you know something, say something. But super dope, a nice change from the regular net we usually get on the Jordan 4. You know, we get the regular knitting. I like the symbol look. But what I really want to talk about is this toe box. This leather is premium leather, man. It even has some butteriness to it. A lot of people are not talking about the quality of the sneaker. The sneaker's clean, man. The quality is good. Look at the buttery of the leather. Do y'all see the leather? All red leather. Nice tumbleness. And that goes all around, even to the inside of the sneaker. It's a lot of tumbleness in the sneaker. I just wish that it wasn't all red. I feel like they should have, I don't know, they should have did something a little more different. Your bottom has a little blue here, which you know your regular Jordan 4, outline work, white and blue. But I was thinking, if you take all this red off and you just keep that original Jordan 4 blue there, you're going to get this sneaker right here. Now see what I'm saying? You get this sneaker right here if you take all the red off. Now let's get them both in. So right here in my right hand is your Jordan 4 Columbias. Sexy, classic sneaker. Right here is your 2019 Jordan USA Fibas. So you see the bottom? Just want y'all to take a look at the bottom look. It's the same look. Same look. Alright, now back to the Jordan USAs. The bottom tab, red, white, and blue, USA. Your eyelids has that blue hit, just like the Columbia Jordan 4s I just showed you guys. The inside. Someone tells me what this does, please. Jesus. Regular shoe tree. Inside. Red insole. Blue Jordan, man. And I like this. The inside of the tongue reads, "For the love of the game." And that's on both shoes. Both shoes. For the love of the game. My favorite part of this sneaker is that gold jump, man. That stands out the most. It stands out so good that I was hoping that they made the eyelids gold, or at least even gave us some gold tips at the end of the shoestrings. And speaking of shoestrings, you got red, you got white, you got blue. I wish you just had some gold tips at it, or they would have added a little more gold to this sneaker. I mean, they just can't be choosy. I think it's a dope sneaker. I think people will pick up on this sneaker a little after, because Jordan is dropping so much, and this was a general release. So it gives people more time to get back to this sneaker. Out of a scale of 10, I'm going to go 7. Only because this year we already caught the breads came back. You know that's a 10 out of 10. The OVOs came out, one with Drake's signature, one without. So as far as this year in Jordan 4s, not high on my list, but this is definitely a dope sneaker. Definitely a dope sneaker. Again, my highlight for the sneaker is the gold Jordan, man. My low is that the tongue say flight. Really don't like that. I think it could have been like a USA ball here. A lot of other ways Jordan could have went with that. But I'm your boy C-Notes. This is the review on the Jordan 4 Fiba USAs. On foot today, I got on the Kobe Tinkers. Dope sneaker, man. In the comment section below, let me know what you got on foot. In your comment section below, let me know how you feel about these. Did you cop? What's your real honest opinion of these? Again, I'm your boy C-Notes. Everybody get rich. Cartier for the win. They call me Notes, capital C. You know I dot my I's and cross my T's. You know the vibes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks. You know the vibes.